Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to claim your daily Morse code on the Hamster Kombat. So the first thing you do is to click on this N per tap. You click on the N per tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then the interface will appear like this. So the Morse code for today is SATOSHI. So once this interface appears red, you put in SATOSHI. So the first word S, you get it by clicking 3 times. That's dot dot dot. The dot 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 is 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The second one is A. You get it by clicking once. That's dot and then dash. Then the third one is T. Just one dash by long pressing. And then the fourth one is O. 3 dashes. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one is S. 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. It has disappeared. Okay. Let's start all over again. So the first one S, 1, 2, 3. The second one A, 1 dot and 1 dash. The third one T, 1 dash. The O is 3 dashes, so you long press 3 times. For the S, you tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. For the H, you tap 4 times. That's 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the I, you tap twice. 2 dots. 1, 2. So as you can see here, it's written the code is cracked. You're a real detective. Take the prize. So you click on take the prize. So we've gotten the prize for the Morse code. So that's it for today, guys.